Want to take control of your health in real time? Our Holistic Life app lets you track key health markers, just like your pH levels, to optimize your well being. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are enrolled in the Intro to Holistic Medicine course, welcome as well. If you want to be, you can go ahead and click the link in the bio and scroll down. This video is for our Holistic Life app. And this week in our Intro to Holistic Medicine course, we're going to be going over how to use the app to both take a survey as well as track your pH levels. So last week we went over questionnaires. In a previous video, I went over how you manually track it. So if you wanted to print the form out, which is a nutritional assessment questionnaire, it assesses a lot of key areas of your life, like your digestive system, your health, your digestive system, your immune system, your hormonal system, etc. And then you're totaling it up. There is a way to do it in a digital format. So once you have downloaded the Holistic Life app, which there'll be an explainer video a little bit later, once you get in there, you'll be able to click a survey button and then go into it. However, we're going to be using this primarily, the app, to track our pH levels. And so hopefully by now you've gotten your pH strips, so you're good to go with that. And so what you're going to do is now you're going to be taking your pH readings. So we have another video where we're talking about how to log those readings and how to track them effectively. And so what we're going to combine is the simple steps that we learned, or the information from our questionnaire, along with our pH levels. So we're going to take our daily salivary as well as urinary pH levels. So our salivary pH levels gives us a window into our digestive process and how that's going. And our urinary gives us some insight into more oxidative stress or toxicity. And so it can really help us to figure out the subtle changes. And then when we combine that with our questionnaire, we can really assess, what our changes are going to be. So you're going to have and log the pH readings in the app. I'll have a step-by-step guide right after this. And so I look forward to seeing you guys all around our digital campus as we learn more about Intro to Holistic Medicine.
Once you're approved for the group, you'll receive a membership email approving you. Go ahead and click the View Group. Save this particular community on your homepage. You can click there to add it to your homepage for easy access. Once you're in the community, you can see the side tab. If you're a part of multiple communities, you'll be able to browse through based off of the icons. Announcements, welcome, as well as your holistic health education is right there. When you're looking in the community, various different discussions are throughout. You can just simply click on the discussion, read through the content, and then add at the bottom. You can also access the links at the top, Holistic Lifestyle app, by clicking that link right there. Once you'll go there, you will see the plan there and you will get started into Intro to Holistic Healthcare. Once you will enroll in, you'll just add your email, your password, or you will create an account.
Once you get into the Holistic Life app, you'll come into the home screen. It'll have today's plan, resources, tracking, forms, journal, and chat with your care team. To find the Nutritional Assessment Questionnaire, if you want to do it in a digital format, you're going to click Forms and Surveys and then begin the process. Again, take your time. It's about 20 pages online, so it will take time, but it will auto-save. Once you're completed, go ahead and send me a message and say that you've completed with it, and then I'll help you total from there. For the tracking, though, when we're going to be using the urine as well as the salivary pH, we're actually going to click the tracking. Once you click the tracking, it's going to go to this. You can track your food, your water, your exercise, your weight, your activity, and then your body. So definitely set your weight in there, set your height, all of that information, and any of the activities that you participate in the day, feel free to track it. So if you drink a glass of water, or you eat an apple, or you take a walk. Also, too, you can sync this if you have Apple Health, if you have Apple Watch or a Fitbit, something like that. You can sync that as well, so it'll track your steps. But in this case, to track your urinary as well as salivary pH, you're going to click Track Body. And then it's going to go to a screen. So I've already scrolled it down, but you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says urinary pH as well as salivary pH. And then from there, you'll set the goals, and then you'll go ahead and track daily, and it'll keep it over a period of time. So in this case, for the challenge, we're going to do it for a week. So we're going to do a 7-day metabolic pH challenge where we are going to track that as well as our water for a week. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know.